Welcome back to your review channel. Today I'm talking about Google Chrome. Have you ever tried to do a search? You can type it, it's okay. But if you want to do a voice search and sometimes your phone picks up, sometimes something else picks up, I'm going to show you how to change those settings because it's nothing more annoying when you click on the microphone to try to record something and your phone picks up. And that is quite annoying right there. All right, I'm going to show you how to change these settings. Let's get into it. Hey guys, welcome back to your review channel. Today this video is all about how to adjust the voice control of your applications. Let's say for Google Voice, for voice search, click on the voice search. I just showed you how it went to the iPhone. I'm going to show you how to set those settings and how to change them. So if you want to change them, you can, or if you want to shut them off and on, all that kind of stuff. So what you want to do is you want to go to the three dots to the right-hand side, top right-hand side of your Google Chrome. Those three dots, click on those three dots and you want to go down to settings at the bottom. Let's click on those settings buttons together and let's move over to the left side where it says privacy and security, number 3 down. Click on privacy and security. Perfect. Now we want to go to site settings. This is where you want to make these adjustments and tell it what to do. Now you want to look over here where it says permissions. We have location, camera, microphone, notifications, and embedded content. We want to go to microphone because that's the problem. It keeps doing it. It's very annoying. Now if you click on this here, you can see there's a drop down. 90% of the time, it's going to be on the iPhone microphone. That's what's going on. That's what it's searching for. And sometimes that's just the way it's connecting. And it's quite annoying. And you have to keep, and a lot of people don't know how to change these settings, and this is how you do it. So what you want to do is you want to go here and just say, okay, I want to use my studio display microphone. Now it's going to use only my studio microphone, display microphone. Or if I want to use my cam link or whatever device you're using, Zoom, whatever you want to use, if you want to use voice control or voice command, you have to tell it where to go on Google Chrome if you're doing that. So if I don't want the iPhone, but most of the time I want the studio microphone. I'm just typing, instead of typing in something, I'll just ask a quick question, especially with chat and things like that. Anything that's using Chrome, it's going to have a problem with and you're going to have an issue. So this will fix that problem. So that's how you change those microphones and destinations, okay? So that's easy enough to do. Now on the bottom here are allowed use of your microphone. Now these things have already been basically authorized to use microphones. Now if they're not here, that means they've not been authorized yet. And I'll show you an example. So right now, that's for instance, my YouTube channel. I'll delete that trash can. Now that permissions is now ended. Now it's not allowed to access my YouTube. Let's go to my YouTube channel. I'm going to show you exactly what that means and what you can do to modify these things. So right here is the microphone. So say I want to do a search for something, let's say, and so instead of typing in, I want to talk about it, I'll click on the microphone, waiting for permissions. Now let's take a look on the left-hand side here. You can see where it says studio microphone. That's what it's using. Or if I want to use my Rodecaster, now I'm talking to my Rodecaster microphone directly, and you can see the audio bumping up quite a bit there because I'm actually talking into a microphone through my system and it's picking it up here. Or if you want to use your iPhone, you can click on the iPhone or cam link or whatever you're doing here. You could actually customize where the audio inputs are coming in for these search results. So that's how you do that. So let's go back to studio display. I'll say allow while visiting the site. It'll put the token back on and you can see here, there it is. So that's really that simple, guys. Really, really easy. I just want to make a quick video and show you how to do that. So if you're having trouble with the search, with the voice search, this is how you fix it. This is really, really easy. Let's do it one more time together. I want to show you one more time. What we'll do is we'll open up a fresh new window here under Google and we'll click on the three dots to the right. We'll go down to the settings all the way down. We'll move over all the way to the left where it says privacy and security. Click on privacy and security, go to site settings on the bottom. Now you'll see here again, there is the permissions. You want to go to microphone. Hit on microphone and then we're back to where we were again. So that's all there is to it. Really easy. So I hope it brought you some value. If I did, don't forget to like, share, subscribe, follow the channel for more videos just like this to help you with your technical adventure, because a lot of people have problems with this and I wanted to make a video how to solve that. So I hope I brought you that. If I did, like the video, share, and subscribe to this channel for more videos just like this. Appreciate your time as always. Thanks for watching and make it a great day.